YouTube stacking community, the Stacking Nerd, here today with a very special unboxing. Wherever you're watching this from and whenever you're watching this, I hope that you're having a great day. Now, we all know that I'm waiting until Memorial Day weekend to unbox all of my precious metals purchases, but by the end of this video, I think we can all agree that this package here is just way too awesome to wait. This comes to me from the great state of Hawaii, from no other than Menehune Stacker. I recently purchased a special item from him, and we're going to unbox it. All right, guys. Let's get this open, and while I open this bad boy, I want to encourage each and every one of you to check out Menehune Stacker's channel and also his Instagram, which will be linked in the description down below. He has been posting his beautiful new pours, and I can't say this enough how talented he is. From Instagram is actually how I found the item that I purchased from him. There we go. There we are. Let's open this up. Oh wow, there's a lot more in here than what I expected. Here is a note to the Stacking Nerd. The Stacking Nerd, thanks for your support. I hope you like your Menehune Stacker Lucky Cat piece. Also, congrats on your 1K sub accomplishment. Thank you. I added a little something special, dirty, shiny extra to show my appreciation for an awesome person in this community. Mahalos. Take care. Keep doing it. Your pal, Menehune Stacker. Well, thank you very much. Let's take a look here. All right, I've got these two packages, and this one says open last. All right, let's move this out of the way. Very well wrapped. I'm afraid of damaging anything. Okay, very cool. Hawaiian Host Aloha Max. I've had these before. How awesome. Thank you so much. I'm really going to enjoy these. I'm going to put that here. All right. And here is our package. Oh, this is very well taped up. All right. Here we go. And he said he included a silver care kit, and that must be what this little cloth here is. That is very thoughtful. All right, here is the package. It looks to be a few more pieces than what I was expecting. Let's go ahead and take a look. Oh my goodness, you guys. Here is the Menehune Stacker Chinese Good Look Cat. Oh my goodness, how gorgeous this is. Just take a look at the amazing detail. The stamp. I believe this weighs about 2 ounces. Okay, we're gonna redo that. Okay, here are the pieces he poured. I only ordered the Menehune Stacker cat, and it is a special prototype. Let's take a look at him first. Wow, how cute is this? I believe it's about 2 ounces of 3/9 silver. There it is, stamped on the bottom. Look at the detail here. Absolutely gorgeous. This is way too cute to keep with the rest of my poured silver. I'm gonna have to put this on my desk. Wow. Thank you so much. I love it. It is so cute. Now there looks to be 2 bonus pieces. See if I can get them out. The first one is a motorcycle. Let's see if I can get a good focus on it. Because he knows I like to ride my bike. How amazingly detailed for such a small piece. There it is, stamped. The finish. Oh my goodness. This is unreal. And one more piece, and it is adorable. I have a little sea turtle. And he's in here good. Well, he's really well secured to his packaging. Let me see if I can free him a little bit up. Oh my gosh, look how little and adorable this is. See if I can get the camera to focus on it. This tiny little sea turtle. And I have one more bonus piece. Let's get the camera to focus. This tiny, well-detailed sea turtle. How beautiful is this? It takes a lot of talent to pour silver, and to get such immaculate detail into something this small is amazing. I don't even know what to say. Thank you so much, Menehune. This is too cool. I've got a poured motorcycle as well, and there is one more piece, and it says open last. Let's see. How much better can this get? I've gotten candy, I got a Menehune Stacker cat, a motorcycle, a little poured sea turtle, and this. All right. Oh, look, this is the item he used to pour the motorcycle. Oh, wow. So he gave me the original. Menehune, this is going on my desk tomorrow, I promise you, along with my other treasured toys. I don't even know what to say. This just goes beyond anything that I've ever unboxed on my channel. Again, let me show you the beautiful little pieces here. The Menehune Stacker cat, I hope I'm saying that right, but it is the Good Luck Japanese cat. This adorable little motorcycle. And last but certainly not least, I have this adorable little sea turtle. Doesn't want to focus. There we go. Wow. And I've got candies Thank you again so much, Menehune. I'm at a loss for words. I want everyone to please check out his channel. Please look at what he is making. I've never seen anyone make a fully articulate action figure. He's done it. He has so many creative ideas, and he's definitely making a name for himself in the poured community. I want to thank you guys very much for watching. I hope that you have a prosperous week, a wonderful rest of the day, and I will talk to you later.